Hello everyone, welcome to Asianda. This is Alex from Asianda. This is for the ISE the 2020. So this time we're going to introduce our new models designed for some of the retail shops. It is the 49-inch with the full touch, especially designed for the KFC or McDonald's for some of the payment kiosk to have the for the POS the payment the designs. So you can see that here's the QR code for some the QR code scanner to have the to make the payment more easily. So here, especially when it is the camera, we can see that it is the face recognition. The face recognition system, it can have very precisely contact the gender and the age range. Normally, it will be say it is the age on the market for the face recognition, but this time our new solutions can tell exactly what kind of the age. So right now it is 33, so quite much without my real age. So it is the very good one then to show your customers for a very good data, the real data. Okay, thank you. This is the Asianda. If you want to find more information, please come to our website for the asianda.cn. Thank you.